Hi everybody, Katie here, and I'm going to show you the neatest trick ever. I talked about this during the Austin dress sew along, but the way the buttonholes were oriented on that one, they were horizontal, and this trick works really, really well for vertical buttonholes. One of my students in class turned me onto it, and I tried it, and my mind was blown. So using 1/4-inch seam tape, which is generally used for quilting, you can use it to line up your buttonholes perfectly. So I've got a completed dress bodice here. And my last step here is just putting in the buttonholes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 1/4-inch seam tape and just plop a piece on here, the length of your placket, how your buttonholes go. So mine's about that long. And this dress is rayon and it wants to fall off the table. This is best done standing at a cutting table, but because I'm filming right now, I'm sitting down. So if I'm struggling, that is why. And line it up down the middle of your placket where you're going to put your buttonholes. And then to mark your buttonholes, you can mark them on here. You can use the buttonhole gauge. I always just end up using the piece. And then you're going to mark the bottom with a pin. And then when you're sewing, you're going to line up the bottom of your buttonhole to start on this pin with this red line, and your buttonhole is going to be perfectly lined up. You know, you can do the same thing here. I won't sew them all just because you don't need to see me sew them all. And then my machine is set up for buttonholes. I've got my buttonhole foot on there. Oh. And that's it. You can see that it is perfectly aligned here. So I could come to the next one. And you can use that, that red line to really see what you're doing, to line up the bottom of the foot with that central red line. And that's it. You've got perfectly spaced, perfectly in line buttonholes.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.